Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be making a satin hammered band. This is our starting material, continuum silver. We're going to be turning this into a ring. Because we're going to be adding a hammered finish to it, we actually need a little bit less material. The reason being is that when we're hammering on the mandrel, it's actually going to increase the size because you're forging the metal and it's going to be stretching. So we actually have to undersize it. All right, let's get forging.